Today I'm making an easy vegetable stew and it takes just 30 minutes to make. Keep watching. Hey, it's Lisa, and today I am making an easy vegetable stew. And I was thinking about this year that I want to bring you more plant-based recipes because an appetizing life to me is really about how can you feed your body, your mind, and your soul in the best way possible. And so vegetables, yes. Let's just get to this recipe. This easy vegetable stew is made with sweet potato, onion, zucchini, bell pepper, garbanzo beans, and diced tomatoes. It's so simple and it takes about 30 minutes to make. So this recipe takes a little bit of prep work, not a lot, but let's get started. I have a sweet potato and I'm going to, this is an odd shaped one, we're gonna kind of break it up a little bit. And I'm gonna peel that and cube it. I like to have something handy so I can put all my food scraps in, and then if I want to compost, I can. You want to keep your dice pretty even. Next up, we're going to dice the zucchini. Take the ends off. So I cut it in half. Cut it in half again. Bell pepper. Small yellow onion chopped. So now we're ready to get this going. I just turn the heat up to about a medium high. Just get it all going. I'm gonna add my olive oil. And I'm gonna go ahead and add in that garlic I just chopped. And all those good vegetables that we just chopped up are going in the pot. And I'm gonna cover this and keep it on medium. And let's set it for, not my photographs, my timer, 10 minutes. Now while that's cooking, I'm going to prep one more ingredient, and that is Italian parsley. And I'm going to sprinkle this in at the end when it's done. If I put it in now, it's going to wilt too much. I love this mixture of vegetables in this stew, but feel free to play around. Maybe add something you might like. It's a stew. It's like, mix it up. Now I wanted to give you a few tips about the other ingredients. The garbanzo beans, they're canned, and make sure that you rinse them and get all of that juice that's in the can off of them. It's kind of slimy, and I don't think you want a slimy stew. I don't want a slimy stew. So just really rinse these really well and drain that juice. And then these are just diced tomatoes. They're from a can. They're just regular diced tomatoes. You could probably try the fryer roasted, but these are just organic diced tomatoes from a can, just to help the stew it won't make it too watery, but it won't make it too dry, if that makes any sense. I'm looking for words. It'll be good. Okay, the 10 minutes is up, and now the vegetables are softened a little bit. We're gonna add everything else. So I have my vegetable broth, my tomatoes, salt, pepper, just give that a little stir. Add in our spices of coriander and cumin, and finally those drained garbanzo beans. Now I'm going to bring this to a boil, and then I'm going to turn the heat down and bring it to a simmer for about 10 minutes. Okay, the 10 minutes are up. It smells good. And I'm going to sprinkle in that parsley now. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see more videos like this, click this playlist over here, and I'll see you next time with more plant-based recipes.